Welcome to the step-by-step on how to use the Beard Box. First, you're going to go in with your clear bar and wash your face using the vegan sponge. If you have a woman, of course, she can use her nails to really get down and get rid of that dirt, debris, and dry skin causing ingrown hairs. And of course, your hair is going to be a little dry after you're washing it out with a clear bar, so we're going to go in with the hydrating mist. Apply this generously to your beard. We want to make sure we get all that moisture and nutrients back into your beard and rub it in to really seep into those hair shafts. After this, you're going to go in with the star of the show, which is the King Growth Drops. Apply this generously to the base of your beard and massage it in. Don't rub. Massage it in so it can really seep down into those pores and into those follicles to stimulate that maximum growth, alongside of our next step, which is using your Derma Roller. Now, this is the game changer along with all the other products. You're going to use this in vertical and diagonal motions all throughout where you want your hair to grow. This is a must, 2 to 3 times a week. And then last but not least, the King Beards Pomade, which is going to leave your beard looking nice, full, lustrous, and healthy. Apply that, and then you're good to go. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to spread the word about the Beard Box.